Hello everybody, welcome to today's episode of Property by Zack. We're going to view a 4-room unit at Block 235, Bukit Batok East, Avenue 5. Come, let's go have a look. Okay, so this block is located at the junction of Bukit Batok East, Avenue 3 and Avenue 4. It's pretty much close to Bukit Batok Central, where you have your Bukit Batok MRT, which is just a few stops away. As for your amenities, they are located just across the road. You have a wide range of options for your groceries, household items, and hardware options. You also have ATMs, bakeries, 24-hour supermarket, as well as a wide range of food options. If you're looking to enroll your kids in nearby schools, there are several options available. Nearby primary schools include Bukit View Primary School, Keming Primary School, and Princess Elizabeth Primary School. As for secondary schools, they include Bukit View Secondary School, St. Andrew's Mission Secondary School, and Hillgrove Secondary School. Of course, there are many other options available nearby as well. Okay, so now that we have looked at the external environment, how about we're going to have a look at the unit itself? Okay, so basically this is a HDB 4-room flat. It's 1066 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Okay, the unit itself is located on a pretty high floor, and you get an unblocked view, and it's quite breezy. Come, let's go and have a look. Wow, just look at that unblocked view from outside the unit. As you enter the unit, you're welcomed by the spacious recess area. This is the living hall. As you can see, you can put in your sofa sets, your dining table, and your TV console, and you still have ample space. And just for you to get an idea, you can convert this into this. The kitchen is long and spacious as well, and all the rooms are spacious enough to fit a queen size, if not even up to a king size bed, along with wardrobes as well. If you'd like to find out more about this property or for any other property in Singapore, get in touch with me through the link below. Thank you.